want to tell you about a recent case that I had where the client called to tell me that her boyfriend of 8 years and father of her child was tragically killed in an automobile accident. She wanted to know if she could recover for the wrongful death of her boyfriend. Hi, I'm Paul Hernandez, personal injury attorney at Kalfas and Ackman, practicing law in Virginia and North Carolina. Let me tell you a little bit of what happened in this case. Now, this case did actually happen in Virginia. Now, the client was never married to her boyfriend. That's a big problem. And the reason why is, in Virginia, she could only recover for wrongful death damages if she was married to the person that died. It doesn't matter that she was the mother and he was the father of their children. In this case, it was even more complicated because the person who died was married before and never got a divorce. How does that complicate things? It complicates things because the wife where they never got a divorce, she actually would be entitled to recover for some wrongful death damages as a result of his death. It's up to a judge or a jury to determine those damages, even though she was not with the person who died at the time of his death. In fact, a judge or a jury may provide nothing for the first wife. The next question that she had was whether we could help the child recover for the wrongful death damages. And in this case, let me tell you what we did and how we were able to help the family. In this case, we were able to secure a settlement for the full policy limits of the person who caused the death of her boyfriend. And we were able to have the judge enter an order that gave nothing to the first wife and gave all those funds in a trust for the child of the person who died. Well, let me tell you what I want you to do. If you or a friend or a loved one has questions about wrongful death, or if someone's entitled to recover as a result of someone's death, give me a call. Pick up the phone. You can call toll-free or look me up on the web at kalfasandackman.com. I'm Paul Hernandez, and thanks for watching.